Discover the shocking reality of how dirty your dish brush can get and learn the essential steps to effectively clean and sanitize it. In this video, we delve into the importance of maintaining a hygienic kitchen tool and provide you with valuable insights to ensure a germ-free kitchen environment. Don't let a dirty dish brush compromise your family's health. Watch now and ensure your kitchen stays spotless. Welcome to the Cleaning Hacks channel. Make sure to subscribe to the Cleaning Hacks channel for future updates. Cleaning your dish brush on a regular basis will keep it free of dirt and germs and ensure that it continues to function properly. Failure to clean your dish brush could result in an accumulation of dirt and food particles, which could be harmful to your health. Additionally, leaving your dish brush unclean will make the bristles break or fray more quickly over time, reducing the effectiveness of your dishwashing efforts. We'll walk you through the best cleaning and sanitization techniques. It is advised to clean and sanitize your dish brush to prolong its life and maintain its hygienic condition. Depending on the material your dish brush is made of and the number of bacteria or germs on it, there are a few different ways you can use to completely clean and sanitize it. Method 1. Boiling. One of the best ways to sanitize and clean your dish brush is to boil it. Before taking it out with tongs, submerge the entire brush in a kettle of boiling water and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. This is especially useful for plastic dish brushes that aren't meant to be submerged in water for an extended period of time. Method 2. Soaking. When cleaning a dish brush made of natural fibers like bamboo, soaking is the suggested technique. Put your dish brush in a bucket or sink filled with hot, soapy water and let it soak for at least 30 minutes. Then, remove it and give it a good rinse under running water. In the soaking water, you can also add vinegar or baking soda, depending on the amount of oil or grime on your brush's bristles. Method 3. Antibacterial soap. The use of antibacterial soap is a terrific suggestion if you want to go above and beyond in keeping your dish brush hygienic. Just put some antibacterial soap drops in a bowl of hot, soapy water, soak your dish brush for a few minutes, and then rinse it under running water. Before washing your dish brush with warm water, you can also use an old toothbrush to clean away any stubborn dirt. Method 4. Dishwasher. You can also put a plastic dish brush through a cycle in your dishwasher if you have one. Just make sure every bristle is tightly fastened to prevent it from coming free when you're washing it. Before putting your dish brush into the machine, you should also add some detergent to the bottom so that the brush may be thoroughly cleaned and sanitized during the cycle. Make sure you put your dish brush somewhere dry so that no bacteria or germs may grow on it while it's not in use to keep it clean between uses. To keep your dish brushes germ-free until you're ready to use them again, think about hanging them up near the kitchen sink with some rope or putting them in airtight containers if you have some. Using hot water instead of cold can assist loosen any dirt or debris more effectively and stop bacteria from spreading throughout your kitchen area while washing your dish brush. To make cleaning easier, you might also want to think about getting a high-quality scrubber sponge or even a new soft bristled dish brush. These tools can more easily reach tight spaces, like within glasses or deep pots, without causing any damage. Remember to allow your dish brushes to air dry before putting them away once more. If you don't, mold or mildew may grow and eventually ruin your brushes. To keep your dishes and kitchen utensils as clean as possible, you must routinely clean and sanitize your dish brush. Fortunately, following a few straightforward steps can make it quite simple to do. These easy-to-follow guidelines will help you keep your kitchen hygienic and germ-free, free from dangerous microorganisms. And there you have it, a cleaner, healthier kitchen starts with a clean dish brush. Remember, a little maintenance goes a long way in safeguarding your family's well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with your friends. Subscribe to our channel for more insightful tips on maintaining a clean and organized home. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your kitchen clean, your family safe, and your dish brush sparkling. Connect with us on social media for more cleaning hacks and home improvement ideas. Stay tuned for our next video.